Hi, my name's Emma Gribble and I'm a Senior Lecturer and Course Leader for BA Textile Design at Arts University Plymouth. Discover your love of colour, drawing, texture and pattern on our textile design course. Explore and experiment with different textile processes, techniques and materials and benefit from exciting, creative live industry briefs. You will learn an exciting mix of skills from traditional print processes, knit, tufting and dyeing methods to digital printing on fabric and creative surface pattern design. You will become a dynamic and confident textile designer, ready to make your mark in the industries such as fashion, interiors, craft or fine art. You'll expand your knowledge of sustainable design methods as well as essential digital skills, all while gaining confidence in your own creative identity, which will result in a diverse portfolio of creative work that meets the needs of a changing design industry. Our textile studios are home to an impressive screen printing space, a dye lab, large format sublimation printers and transfer presses, as well as knitting machines, digital embroidery machines, tufting guns, and a range of state-of-the-art digital printers and scanners. We also have our very own natural dye garden. You'll have access to industry standard software such as AVA and trend forecasting tools like WGSN, and Future Laboratory will support you to focus on real-world challenges, interdisciplinary solutions and creative thinking while you collaborate with students across other courses. You will become a textile designer for fashion, interiors, craft and more. Engage with historical, cultural and sustainable contexts. Develop research, communication skills, all while building a diverse portfolio. Learn from experienced lecturers and experts and participate in live industry briefs from top companies such as Mercedes, Finisterre, the National Trust, Sainsbury's Home and Princess Yachts. We have study trips to international events like Heim Textile, Premier Vision and Maison Objet. When you're finished your studies, you will be ready to start your career or even launch your own business. Our graduates have gone on to jobs with companies like IKEA, Fermoy and Next, in roles such as textile designers, stylists, buyers and more. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. It has a dynamic cultural scene, including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures, from easy and fast connections to major cities, such as Bristol and London, to tranquil seaside scenery. It's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our textile design course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.